In this video, I'm going to be showing you the best product research tool that you can use completely free for Shopify dropshipping. Let's get it. Hey guys, Jeffrey here, back again with another video. If you're new here, hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Jeffrey and I make e-commerce videos for you guys. Dropshipping, e-commerce, entrepreneurship, everything else in between. So if you like what you see or you like my content or you like myself, be sure to subscribe. Smash the subscribe button, like the video, comment down below what you want to see next. So today we want to talk about the best free product research tool basically, which is very beginner friendly that you can use for Shopify dropshipping and just e-commerce in particular, in general. And this is going to be a really quick video for you guys to kind of showcase what you need to do. It's going to be really simple and very easy to follow. So yeah, let's get right to the content. So before we begin, if you're new here, again, welcome to the channel. We do a giveaway for every video, so all you have to enter is subscribe in the link, comment down below BRANDFAM, brand family, and what you want to see next. And also be sure to like the video, and because that will tell me usually what sort of videos that you guys like, and I can kind of make more videos surrounding that. And optional is that you could join the free Facebook group. The link will be down below. So don't miss out. I do post a lot pretty often and answer comments and questions. So and yeah, it's free. So I want to congratulate last video's winner, MK, for winning the contest. So usually that means that they will be able to call me for free, have a review your store, and answer any questions that you might have regarding your store, your business, just e-commerce in general, or you want to chat with me. So yeah, so congratulations. And if you want to enter, just do the 4 steps down below. So who is this for? What is this strategy for? Well, basically it's for a lot of people. First of all, people who are just starting out, people who are beginners and don't really have the budget or money to spend on software. There are lots of software nowadays that do the same, have the same purpose. Find winning products, find tap products, whatever you want to call it. And it's really good for people just starting off who don't have the budget. So as well as that, also people who have more experience, or I guess intermediate to advanced levels, who already know different strategies but just want different techniques to put in their arsenal. So this is also another way. And if you already know this kind of product strategy, research strategy, you can keep watching anyway, because might I don't know how you say it, but yeah, just keep watching if you want. But anyway, you can also see what kind of characteristics there are for a winning product. So for the ads that are winning, which we'll talk about later on, kind of the characteristics of what makes a winning product, and why it's unique and why it's a winner, basically. And you can kind of base your judgment around the next winning products and see whether they contribute towards being a winning product or not, or whether they are. It's also another way for you to get your feet wet in the dropshipping space and see what kind of products are being promoted right now. Usually if they've been running for a while and they have a lot of engagement, they wouldn't be keeping the ad up running if it wasn't working for them or it wasn't profitable. Because if you have a lot of engagement, chances are you'd be spending a lot of money to acquire that kind of engagement and reach. And so usually if they've been keeping it for a long time, they have a lot of engagement, they should have had some kind of traction already. It's also very simple to understand. So if you're someone who wants to keep it simple, don't really like to overcomplicate things or get confused really easily, this might be for you as well. And also doesn't take too much time. So anyway, without all that, let's get right to the method. So optional is you can download a tool called Turbo Ad Finder. And actually there are other tools out there that do the same thing. I don't use this personally because I noticed that it's a bit glitchy on my end, but you can try it if you want. It is free, so you can try it, and if you don't like it, you just uninstall. It is a Google Chrome extension, so you will have to use Google Chrome to download it and use it. And basically you're just going to download first, and you're going to go to the search bar and type in buzzwords like 50% off, free shipping, free delivery, get yours here, or get it here. What this basically will do is find ads that you want to see. And usually these are dropshipping ads. And these are all the buzzwords that they use typically to promote their ad. Usually it's going to be 50% off or worldwide shipping or free shipping, along those lines. There are other buzzwords that are similar to that, so you can just experiment with different things and I guess add those buzzwords to your notes, so you can use it for your future product research. But basically, you're just going to use these buzzwords, and then after that, you're going to find that post, go to that post, and try to engage with it. So you're going to like it, you're going to comment it if you want, you can tag a friend, you can save the post preferably, so you can have a list of different products that you want to test as well. I can show you that later on, so don't worry about that. And then you're going to click on Shop Now. But what's most important is you have to click Shop Now on the ad itself and not the ad copy. And that's very important because it's going to trigger in Facebook's end basically the engaged shoppers. So if you click on Shop Now, you're going to be classified as an engaged shopper. And people who target engaged shoppers, who narrow down by engaged shoppers in their ad targeting, basically will have their ads exposed to you, which basically means free products for you as well. And a hack here is, you also have to go through the sales funnel after you click on Shop Now, of course. You go on product page and click on Shop Now. And a hack is you should spend at least 30 seconds on a product page, because what this will do is allow you to have, basically it's going to classify you as a user who has spent more than 30 seconds or more on a website. And this is useful because usually when people scale, they're going to be using lookalikes for Facebook's. And one of the lookalikes that you can use is the top 25% of the visitors, or whatever, top 30% of the people who spend a lot of time on your website. And so the more time you spend on the product page or the website, the more you'll classify as that audience, so you'll be targeting even more ads. So that's going to be really useful when finding more products and finding more stores to spy on them. And after that, you're just going to like the page on the advertiser for the advertiser, and then usually there's going to be a drop-down menu that will say like from Facebook that will have very similar pages related to that advertiser. And what you're going to do is just like all the related ones for more ideas, and it's just going to keep giving you more products and more ideas later on. And you don't have to do this in your personal account if you don't want to. I won't use this personally, and I don't do this personally because I don't want to get spammed with all these pages that I don't really like, because I am using my personal page at this time. So you can also make a separate Facebook account if you want, just for the purpose of spying and product research. So that will really differentiate yourself from having if you don't really want the unsolicited kind of ads given to you. So just another tip right there. Before we get to the slide, let's see that in practice. Right now I already have an ad right here, but I'm just gonna open a new tab and kind of show you guys what I would do. So what I would do is just type 50% off, free shipping, something like that. And then what we're gonna do is go into the video tab, and then you see here that they have a bunch of videos right here. This used to be a product research tool a while back, maybe a few months ago, 1 year ago, but everyone's been using it nowadays, and it's just not as effective anymore. And chances are these products are already been advertised too much to the point that people have seen it a million times. So there's no sense of freshness to it. So anyway, we're gonna see this month maybe. Doesn't really matter. Preferably you want it to be this year, sometime this year. So we're just gonna click on here, and then okay, let's use this one for example. Okay, I'm just gonna turn off the volume. Anyway, yeah, this is how you're gonna find the ads, basically, and then you're just gonna click on Shop Now from their you can follow here as well, and then there should be a Shop Now somewhere here on the ad, but I'm not going to use that here because I already have an example, so I'm going to close this right now. But basically you're just going to come here, let's say after you do that, you're going to see a bunch of ads like this one. So what I'm going to do is, don't click on this call to action, do it here. So Shop Now, as you can see, as I mentioned, you can like the post if you want, and then comment, tag a friend or whatever. And then usually it's also good, hack for you is to look at the comments down here first and see whether people like the product. If people like the product, then usually it's a good sign for you to advertise as well, because you want to have good reviews so you can minimize the chargebacks and disputes that people have on your product. So you're going to click on Shop Now as suggested. So this is going to be Pet Mojo. Looks like a niche store. So a zero leak premium reusable dog pee pad. That's pretty cool. They're selling it for 39 Canadian. I'm not sure what that is in USD. Let's check that in USD. Okay, $29.95. This is most likely fake. 44 sold in the last hour. Just scarcity tactics. I know all that already. Extra large, okay, there's different sizes. 9% enjoy the order. Okay. Lifetime warranty, this is a good upsell that you can use. Basically, you're just gonna go over here and spend about 30 seconds or so. So you get classified as a website visitor who spent more than 30 seconds. So very important for lookalikes, as I mentioned in previously. So you're gonna go over. It's good to look over these anyway because you want to see how they write their descriptions and their ad copy. Customer feedback. Doesn't seem like they have reviews, but okay, whatever. So yeah, after you're gonna do that, you're going to click on add to cart. As per usual, it's gonna bring you to the shopping cart, and you're gonna proceed to checkout. And then you're just going to enter your email. So whatever. Do something legit like Jeffrey whatever at gmail.com. Call it Jeffrey, and then I'm just gonna type a random address. Hopefully it pops up. Okay, there we go. It's a bit glitchy here. I'm not sure why. Hopefully they can fix that soon. But okay, we're gonna click on this, and then you can see an order bump here. But just ignore that. Free shipping, whatever. Continue payment. After we've done that, we're just gonna stay here, and then we're gonna close the tab. And then that should classify as an engaged shopper. And what you could also do is save the post here, like save video, and put it in your folder. And that's also going to classify as an engaged shopper, and you can also see a bunch of ads that you've saved, so you can get more ideas on more products, more ring products. That is basically the method. And then after that, you can just go to the page itself, Pet Mojo. Here you can see that they are a niche store from the States. You're gonna like it, and then there'll be a bunch of like other suggestions. So let's just do that, for example, like the page. You can see like cute pet, happy pet. Most of these, not all of them are going to be drop shipping, but you're going to find the ones that are very similar and also drop shipping. So you're just going to do that. I'm just going to like it because I don't really follow dog pages, and I don't need to. So yeah, that's basically how you do it. So this is the method, and I just want to mention that you can actually further improve the existing ads that are working. Usually winning products and associated ads have something to improve on. This is where you'll be able to improve on your own. If you decide to copy their product, you can improve it and try to make it better. Whether that be the descriptions, the checkout hack that you can implement that I have in my channel that you can check out. More upsells and cross-sells, they really increase your average order value or your volume discounts. Your ad copy or your creatives, or different thumbnails that you could use, or pictures in the videos. You can make custom videos, custom content, stuff like that. So yeah, just a little tip for you guys. So that about it does it for the free product research methods that you can use right now, primarily Facebook. If you like the content, be sure to smash the like button and comment down below what you want to see next, and comment BRANDFAM and to enter the giveaway, and make sure you're subscribed if you're new or if you haven't already. So thanks for watching, guys, and I hope to see you in the next video. Take care.